Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to make a Minecraft surprise fold. So to start off with our paper, we need to fold it in half. So I'm just going to take my paper and I'm just going to fold it in half like I'm making a birthday card. Line up the corners, press down, and then I'm just going to take it and I'm going to fold it down just like this. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to make a little Minecraft surprise fold. So the first thing I'm going to do is write down the center of the paper. I'm just going to draw a line. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a nice line going down the center, and I'm going to stop right about there. Now, I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that kind of goes down at a diagonal this way. And then I'm going to draw one that kind of goes down at a diagonal like this. We're going to make like a little piece of the ground. Now, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to go up at an angle. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to go up at an angle. And I want to try to line these up best I can. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, kind of right over this, and then connects to here. And then same thing here, down, just kind of go right to here, and then connects. Now, this way when I open it up, I have a nice piece of ground. And what I'm going to do first, just so I don't forget anything, is I'm going to draw these lines down a little bit, just a little bit farther, just so that way when I actually open this thing up, I don't run into these lines. And I know where I don't want to cross, so I'm just going to kind of put those up like that. And I'm going to extend these lines up a little bit higher, the ones on the end, a little bit higher or farther down than the middle one. Okay, so when I close it up, I have my nice little piece of ground, and then when I open it, it looks like this. So next what I'm going to do is I want to draw the top of the ground. So we're going to make this kind of a little bit more cartoony because it's just going to take forever if we do all these straight little lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of make a little like geometric terrain pattern on here like this, and I'm just going to kind of put this all the way around here. And then down here I'm just going to add like some little kind of like circle shapes, different sizes and whatnot, and kind of put these all around. And just to make it look like it's got some terrain on there. Now this way when I open it up, I have my little piece of ground. So then what I'm going to do is I want to make it look like this is kind of like breaking apart. So I'm just going to kind of do another one of these little like geometric pattern pieces. And I want to make sure that I keep it so that it doesn't cross this line here. So I'm just going to kind of make this little geometric pattern, all these different shapes. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. This one's going to be a little bit easier to determine because I got this line here. And I'm just going to kind of put these little pieces so it looks like it's kind of broken. So when it's closed, it looks like a piece, and when you open up, it looks broken. So now I want to put a few little Minecraft characters in here. So let's start off with Steve in the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a nice square shape right here for his head. And then I'm going to add a little diagonal line in these three corners. And then I'm just going to connect them with some straight lines. Then I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve to here. And then I'm going to make another one that's going to curve. It's going to be a little bit skinnier here and a little bit bigger here. And then I'm just going to put a little square right at the end here. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve right to there. And then I'm going to draw a little line down. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And then it's going to go across like this. And then I'm going to draw an arm that just comes up like this. And then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw another line that goes to here. And then I'm going to draw a third line right to here. Then I'm going to connect these with some lines, and then make a line that goes over and then down for the hand. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and then over. And then I'm just going to draw a little line down here and then another one for his leg. Then for his face, I'm just going to draw a line that goes over. It's going to go up, over, down, and then over like this. Then a little line down here. And then, like I said, we're going to keep these a little bit more cartoony. So I'm actually going to give him just some, like, kind of big, cartoony square eyes. Then I'm just going to draw a little line. I'm just going to color in most of it. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes across and a little line underneath to make it look like he's got his mouth open. Color in a little bit of it. Now in his hand up here, I want him to be holding a little pickaxe, so I'm going to draw 3 little lines like this, and then 3 little lines down here. Then I'm just going to connect them with a little square. And then I'm going to just draw a little curved line. And then I'm just going to make a line that just kind of goes up and down like this. Kind of like a little banana shape. Then a line that goes here and then here. Then I'll draw a little line at top. Now, I want to put some other things in here with him. So, a couple of things I'm going to do. We'll put some little animals over here. So, I'm going to start off with a little pig right here. So, we're just going to do the nose first. So, I'm just going to make kind of like a little rounded rectangle shape. And then I'm just going to put in 2 little black dots for the nose. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go out. It's going to go up, kind of curve around, and then come down here. And then a little line right to here. Then we'll draw a little line down here to shape the head. And then I'm just going to add another one of those little rectangle shaped eyes on each side. Little line down and just color in most of it. Draw a little rectangle shape on the side for an ear. And then a little line that just goes down here and then one right here for the body. Then over here we will draw a little cow. So I'm just going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes over and then 2 little lines down. Line that goes over, down, I'm going to come across and then do the same thing on this side. Then right here I'm going to make a line that goes up. It's going to go over and then just come down to here. I'm going to put like a little oval shape here for the ear and a line that goes down and over. Then I'll do one right over here too. I'm going to make the little rectangle shape eyes again. Then just kind of color them in the same way. Then I'm going to just kind of add 2 little oval shapes for the nostrils. Then a line that goes down and over. And one that goes up. And then a line back here that goes down. And then I'm going to make 2 little lines for a leg and put a third one there. And then one little line down here. Then I'm going to make a little square shape here, and then just kind of like a little spot pattern right there. Then right up here, I'm going to draw a little sheep. So I'm going to start just with like a little square shape for the nose. Little line that just kind of goes down and up. And then a little line down here for the mouth. I'm going to start here and make a little square shape that just kind of comes around. And then we'll make those same kind of eyes that we've been making. Same thing over here. Then I'm going to draw another kind of square shape that goes right around the head of the sheep. And then I'm going to make a little line that goes down here. And then a line that goes down and then over. Then two little small lines like this, and then two lines down for the legs. Put another one here, another one right there. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out here for an ear, and then out here for an ear. Then we're going to put a little chicken up here. So just to draw the chicken, I'm going to just make a little skinny rectangle line for the beak. Then I'm going to put a little rectangle underneath there. I'm going to make a line that goes up, over, down, over, and then up for the head. Little line that just kind of goes down, over, just to make it three-dimensional. Then a line's going to go down, it's going to go across, come up, and then over for the body. Little line that goes down here, one here, and then over. Then I'm going to add a little line that goes up here and over and down for a wing. Then I'm going to make a line that goes over, down, and then comes back. Then I'm just going to make real small little eyes like this onto our chicken. Then I'm going to make three little lines that come down for a leg, and then three little lines down here for a leg. Then, right back here, I'm just going to add something a little simple, kind of like a little creeper back here, just to kind of, show that it is back here. So we're going to make it kind of off in the distance here, so I'm just going to draw a little square shape, kind of back here, because what would this picture be complete without a creeper? So I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to give it the little square eyes that we've been drawing. And I'll leave just a little bit white to make it a little different. Make a little sad mouth like this. Little line that goes down, over, and comes back here. And then just two little lines down. And then one more right there. And then over here, just so we can add one more thing, we can add like a little ocelot, because those are pretty popular in there. So just right over here, I'm going to add a little square shape for the mouth. Little line that goes up and down. Little line down, and then a little sad face here. I want to make a little line that goes over, up, around, and then down like this. Little line that goes down here, just kind of curves around. We'll make those same little eyes that we've been making. And then we're just going to add two little bumps up here for the ears. Then I'm going to draw a line here, and then a line right there. I'm going to connect them with kind of like a square shape. Connect that. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Three lines. Go over, down, over, and up like a square. And then just kind of connect these. going to make a little line here and a little line here to connect them, a little line down, and then I'll make a little line back here for the body. And then I'll add a little line that curves up, over, and then down with a little square shape on here for the tail. Now, what I want to do up here is I want to make this look a little bit more three-dimensional. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and I'm just going to make some more of these kind of like geometric patterns, kind of going down here. Same thing here, just kind of make some more of these little geometric patterns kind of going down, just so it looks like it's a little bit more three-dimensional. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft surprise fold. So when you fold it up like this, you just have your little Minecraft box, little terrain, and then when you open it up, you have a full picture of all these little characters kind of popping out. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.